Guys, we're in autumn and my garden is still looking beautiful. I love the flowers in the garden. They just bring me so much joy. But today I'm doing gardening in the house and I'm going to be showing you how to propagate pothos silver satin. Those are some plants that I propagated about 3 to 4 months ago, and look at the root system. They've really come up well and I'm going to be planting them later on. So I propagate my pothos in clean water. It's very simple. All you have to do is to make sure you keep the water clean by changing it on a regular basis. And that's all. Within no time, some roots will begin to form, and that will be your pothos ready for potting if you want to pot it. If you want to keep it in water, you can also keep it in water. I prefer to plant mine in soil, and I will be doing that later on. So this is my parent plant, which is where I'm going to get my cuttings from. As you can see, this is really a healthy looking plant, and those ones that have rooted, I also got them from this plant and it's really doing well. So I'm just going to look where there is a root node, and then that's where I'll cut from and put in water. So that's the little pot that I use for propagating my pothos. Just a simple little container that I fill with clean water, and that's all. So I found a node where I can cut and take my cuttings from. It's usually just below a leaf, so where there is a bit of like what looks like a join, you can just cut off just below that so that the roots can form from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and plant my rooted pothos into this beautiful big terracotta pot and just do a little arrangement there that will give me joy in the dark winter months. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to Allocate Home for more home and garden videos, as well as DIYs and a lot of other things. Thank you, and until next time, goodbye.